Alright, man, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Vontae 1K coming through with another video for y'all boys again today. We got the lamb chop right there, as y'all can see, but today we are in the M8, man. We will be sliding every turn, and I thought, why not do it now because it's raining and we won't kill no tires. So yeah, that being said, we're gonna hop inside the M8 and let's get this shit started. Let's do it. Alright, so we in the M8 right now, and I'm not gonna lie, I think we just finna go ahead and slap it and two-wheel drive. Y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail, y'all know what we finna do today. Y'all probably like, damn, Vontae, but the M8 is goddamn all-wheel drive. Not no more. Not no more, buddy. Just like that. We are at minutes since it's Saturday. I want to see, close them right there. Not no more, buddy. But yeah, y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail, man. Today we will be sliding every turn in the M8 competition. Grand Coupe, as y'all can see, we got the two doors in the back. Oh yes, buddy. We are in rear-wheel drive. As y'all may know, that's how you slide, is in rear-wheel drive. Like, duh. Like, come on, young nigga. He look like a mafia. Yeah, as we can see, we got Gok 40 playing right now. I don't know if he copyright or not, but hopefully he's not, because then that would be bad for me, of course. Oh, hello, tree. I'm gonna turn that down. I want to hit the motor now. I want to hit the engine. Jesus. Oh my God. Nah, them turbos is different. Them turbos really different, bro. Oh, hell no. Talk about Hellcat. Jesus Christ. Can I catch traction? I actually can't. No, it's no traction being caught today, buddy. It's no traction being caught today, buddy. Nah, you got the game. You got the game messed up, twin. Do I want to go straight or do I want to make a turn? I feel like I want to make a turn. Nah, I want to go straight, bro. You know, I should have did this video in the country, because then I would have more wiggle room to get active. I'm about to just put it in four-wheel drive now. It's crazy how you can just disconnect the front axle like that, like in the push of a button, just like that. You're in two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. I find that very awesome. Not even gonna lie to y'all. Didn't even know it was a thing at first. Bro, I really wish this car would get out of my way, bro. I really wish you would just get out my way and let me be great. Yeah, do y'all be feeling like how I be feeling? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Do y'all be feeling how I'll be feeling like when there's a car my way? And then you just be like, you want to pass them, but like, you know it's illegal, so you don't do it. But you just be so irritated. Oh, he let me over. Thank you. You're a good Samaritan. Such a good Samaritan, getting the fuck out of my way. Letting a real nigga eat the road up like a ginger snap. Jesus. I have to get over, Mr. Krabs. Oh my God. Let's not do that, minivan. Nigga did not see that car coming on the other side. Y'all ever witnessed a car crash? I know y'all know I have, but like, have y'all ever witnessed a car crash? Shit get real detrimental out there when you witness a car crash. You just be like, bro, I know that nigga died. Oh shit. That Mustang, I could tell he wanted to do something. It's raining though. It's raining though. Like what? Like come on, bro. Like just vibe, bro. You don't even got no all-wheel drive, twin. Oh, you don't have all-wheel drive? Like, you know, if Trackhawks was like this, it would be wraps. Like you could pull the switch on the Trackhawk and like pull the fuse on the Trackhawk and like slide it, but it's not this practical. Like, of course not. Like nowhere near this practical. It's nowhere near this practical. We're taking it to the pit. We're taking it to the pit. We're taking it to the pit. Boy, if I wasn't on this ankle monitor, the things I would do to you, Papa. Oh, y'all, I had to get my thumbnail. All right, let's go. I took my seatbelt off. I thought I was going to get out the car, but I had a better idea for my thumbnail, so that's what I did. Oh, shit. Hold on. I had a better idea for my thumbnail, pal. What's back here? Like, if I was to ever come back here and swing one day, what is back here? Like, is this an escape route? Like, can I escape back here? Or am I doing too much? Oh, shit. I never actually been this far back before. I never been back here before, so it's kind of like... It's new to me. Oh, what the fuck? What the hell? I didn't even know this was back here. Oh, this is lit. That's how you do a dig in the fucking wet water. Shit's crazy. Shit get detrimental. Is there a car coming? Shit actively gets active. Shit gets kind of active, bro. Bro, am I tripping, or the last like 4 videos we've shot here, that truck has been right there? And it's like they work on it like every day. I'm not tripping, bro. That's literally the same truck. Yeah, it might be time to go stage 2 on the tune. It might be time to go stage 2. I fuck with how quiet it is right now. Like, I can't get over the fact of how quiet it is. Like, I like it, actually. I'm actually rocking with how quiet it is, bro. Chesterfield Fire Department, fire and EMS. How you 2 in 1? You nigga a fire ambulance nurse. Is it bad? Like, when I was young, I thought that inside of the ambulance was nurses and doctors. Like, I thought a doctor was inside of them. Like, if you think about it, are they really doctors though? Or are they like placeholders until you get to the doctor? The license plate is 59. In some way, shape, or form, bro, they are doctors. And a nurse is also a doctor in my eyes. What the hell? What are you in the backseat stressed out? There's no need to be stressed, pal. Everything's gonna be fine. It always is. Oh my God, she's burbling. She getting crazy. Y'all hear that shit? Y'all hear those burbles? Make sure ain't nobody coming. Bro, nothing drives like this car, bro. Nothing drives like this car. Hey, buddy. Nothing drives like a BMW. Maybe a Porsche. I don't know. Never driven a Porsche. People say nothing drives like a Porsche. Well, to me, nothing drives like a BMW. And that's the bottom line, because I said so. Oh, there's a Cat Rango? Oh, this is an RT. That's just a little baby RT. STI? WRX? Oh, alright. I actually got to get in front of you, bro. I have to get in front of you so I can get over. They're selling 2 Cadillacs over there. 2 Cadillac and a Range Rover. Yeah, I really want to know, what's everybody's dream car, bro? What is everybody's dream car? If any ladies watching, which I probably doubt, but if there's any girls watching this video right now, what is your dream car? I want to know the girls' dream cars. Because they're not going to say, oh, I want a Hellcat, oh, I want this, I want that. They're going to be like, let me get a Wrangler or a G-Wagon. But if they're watching me, then they probably do want a Hellcat all the time. Because there's some girls that want Hellcats out there. There's some Hellcat lovers out there. And ain't nothing wrong with that. I mean, just to me, if you a girl and you want a Hellcat, you just A little tomboy ass nigga to me. That's real. Alright, YouTube, so man, we probably finna wrap up the video. I'm not gonna lie. We probably finna wrap up the little YouTube video. That's a laptop Civic. Oh, come on, U-Haul. It was only 2 more cars you had to wait for, bro. You couldn't wait for those 2 cars, bro. That is what I call impatient. You are impatient, my friend. I'm not even gonna kick it to you. Another Durango? Is this at least the SRT? No, that's worse than the last one. That's a damn V6. Shit, alright. We got the V6 Durango out here. That's cool. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But like I said, I'm probably finna go ahead and wrap up today's video, man. If y'all are new to the channel, hold on. She's fighting for the traction, buddy. She's fighting for the traction. And guess what? No traction means no hose. I could have sworn I was in 4-wheel drive. I could have sworn I pressed those 2 buttons. I could have sworn. Alright, whatever. I'm finna go home. I wanna go home. Y'all seen my last video, then I know I might be considering going Mopar again. I know y'all love the Mopar content, but I'm really just over it. Like, when I tell y'all I don't want another Mopar, and I probably won't get another Mopar, bro. You get pulled over for absolutely no reason, for one. Then for 2, you got people trying to steal your shit. Y'all already know the cons of having a Mopar, bro. And now they got this new thingy-majigger. You stick it in the OBD port, and it's to see if your car is stolen. Like, I've never owned a stolen car before, but I don't want to get pulled over to find the test and see and find out. You know what I'm saying? It's like, who has time for that shit, bro? I don't, bro. I like my Mercedes. When I had my Mercedes, I never got pulled over. When I had my Lambo, I never got pulled over. When I had my fucking, when I had this car, never got pulled over. Never get pulled over on any other car I ever owned. And I do more illegal shit in these cars than I do on my Chargers, bro. Like, it just ain't fair, bro. But like I said, man, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe down below if y'all want to see more M8 content. I'm gonna bring it to y'all regardless, but if y'all want to see it, comment M8 is better than M3. Comment M8 over M3. I like the alligator mouth. And then, yeah, type shit. 8/3. Comment M8/3 if y'all want to see more M8 content, or if y'all made it this far into the video. But with that being said, oh, it's a Mustang. It's a Mustang. Anyway, with that being said, man, I love y'all boys, and I will catch y'all in the next video, man. I'm gone.